just two or three marked cars that right out front.
It was Wednesday when those in this South Louisville neighborhood, including Billy Wilcox, first noticed police. Thursday night, detectives returned looking for 29-year-old Mark Espinosa, last seen the day before. Espinosa's father, who lives at this home with him, told WLKY he feared the worst, believing his son was dead. But police aren't certain of the circumstances surrounding Espinosa's disappearance. A driver for Garda, he parked the armored truck outside Jefferson Mall Wednesday afternoon. His coworker went inside to make a pickup, but when he returned minutes later, only the truck was there. Espinosa and an undetermined amount of cash were gone.
We're looking at every aspect. If he's missing, if he could be in danger, if he could be a suspect.
Now, police have been out here and they've talked to multiple businesses, but so far they have been unable to locate any surveillance video showing exactly what happened here Wednesday afternoon. And that's why they say tips from the public are so important.
It's a busy area. You know, we hope someone did see something that will help us locate him or his whereabouts.
And while Espinosa's loved ones suspect foul play, others, like those that have watched police canvass the neighborhood for the past 2 days, aren't so sure.
I'd say they ain't over there just for wasting taxpayers' money, put it that way.
Lauren Adams, WLKY News.